Hi everyone, it's Kathleen with Dreaming About the Mouse Travel, and I'm here today to talk to you about how to mobile order your quick service meals through your My Disney Experience app. Log in to your updated version of the app, please update it, and scroll down to the bottom and hit the plus sign, and you will click Order Food. Once you do that, you're going to see a list of restaurants that become available. It sorts them by the parks, the water parks, and then also hotel quick service options. So whether you're ordering for a breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you can get on here anytime and pick the time that works for you. They'll give you a suggested time, or you can click the button that says more times and see what else is available. If you are grabbing a breakfast in the parks, we suggest you do this process while you're on the bus or making your way to the park so that you kind of have control over the timing of when you want to pick that up. So let's pick a time here. We're going to choose Woody's Lunchbox. That's one of the most popular places at Hollywood Studios. If you're wanting that for lunch, we recommend that you get that one booked early in the day. Get that time set. And it does give you a window so you don't have to rush there. Now you can quickly scroll through and you can see the different entrees, the drinks, the desserts, and all of that. Across the top, you can also scroll. Here, I've picked the sandwich, and then I can add on and customize to it. So I'm gonna scroll down and see what are my options. And it looks like I don't want the Baby Bell cheese, but I do want that tomato soup to dip that yummy sandwich in, and I can add that, and then I can go up and see what else is available. Maybe a dessert or a drink, or maybe I want to search by plant-based options. I can add those things all through here. So I'm gonna add myself a drink to my meal, and then I'm just gonna continue this process for each person in my family until my bag is full of what I need. Then I'm gonna review it, make sure I have everything that I want, and then I'm gonna start the payment process. We recommend that you do this again while waiting in a line or on your way to wherever it is you're going. Just try not to wait to the last minute to do this. You can pay by your credit card that you have on file with your My Disney Experience account. If you want to use a different card, you can add that. You can even pay with a Disney gift card. They make this super, super simple. You can scan in that new credit card. You can add it manually, whatever works best for you. I like to just have mine set up ahead of time so I'm not messing with any of that at the last minute when everybody's getting hungry. So you will make sure that you've paid. Look, you can even use your Apple Pay. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so that's the gist of it. Now, if you order way ahead, I'm going to show you how you go back in and tell them that you're on your way when your window opens up. So I got out of there since I was making a fake order, and I'm just going to go back to the home screen there, and I'm going to click the box that says mobile ordering, and there is where it will pull up your orders that you already made. And mine doesn't show something since I don't actually have an order, but yours would. And then you would just click, if your window is open, that I am here, please prepare my food. Don't click that too early, get kind of close, and then it'll give you an alert when yours is ready. It'll tell you which window to pick up, and then you can enjoy your food. If you have any questions, please reach out to your Dreaming About the Mouse advisor. We would love to help you. Have a magical day.